All right, let's talk about how to maintain and clean your brace. After every time you go ahead and use it, you want to go ahead and take it off and position it just like how it was when you pulled it out of the box. That means you're going to go ahead and loop the straps back over and attach it to itself so it's nice and tight. If you don't do this, it's not the end of the world, but you may see that the straps themselves will get caught on some of the other Velcro pieces of the brace itself. All right, so you want to go ahead and close it back up. I found that this is the easiest way to get back into going ahead and using it for the next session. That being said, cleaning your brace is quite simple. What you want to go ahead and do, you can take soap and water, you're going to wash the inside of it and let it air dry. Do not place it into the washer or the dryer because the rings will rust and you'll end up having and damaging the brace itself. That being said, should be pretty simple. You can take a sanitizing wash or a sanitizing hand wrap and go ahead and wash it through the inside, or you can take soap and water and scrub it in. It is 3mm wetsuit grade neoprene. It washes very easily. It is hypoallergenic, so you should not have any skin irritation at all or whatsoever.